Best Low Latency VPS for Gaming Servers in 2025. Latency, ping, is one of the single most critical metrics for any multiplayer or competitive online game. Lag, jitters, or even occasional spikes can ruin the user experience, cause frustration, and drive players away. In 2025, with gaming growing globally and gamers demanding smoother real-time gameplay, choosing a VPS, virtual private server, with low latency is more important than ever. This article explores what makes a great low-latency VPS for gaming servers, what technical and infrastructure factors matter most, and why SurferCloud stands out as a solid option. Whether you're hosting a Minecraft server for friends, running an esports team, or launching a community server, these insights will help you pick the right VPS. What low latency really means. Latency refers to the time it takes data to travel from a player's device to the server and back, usually measured in milliseconds, ms. Key components include ping time, round-trip time between client and server. Jitter, variability in ping over time. Stable ping is often more important than very low average ping. Packet loss, even a server with low average ping can feel bad if packets are frequently lost. For many competitive games, keeping latency under 50 milliseconds is acceptable. For high-level competitive or FPS games, sub-20 ms where possible is ideal. Geography plays a big role in what's achievable. Key factors to consider for low-latency gaming VPS. Here are the technical and infrastructure features you should check when selecting a VPS for gaming. Server location/data center proximity. The closer the data center is to your players, the lower the network travel time. If your audience is spread across multiple regions, using multiple VPS nodes in different locations helps. Network routing and peering. How the provider connects its network, peering agreements, backbone providers, influences ping. More direct routes equals fewer hops equals lower latency. Dedicated or high-performance CPU/RAM. Games often need strong single-thread CPU performance, especially for ticks/rate updates. Oversold CPU cores or noisy neighbors, on shared CPU, can cause latency spikes. Fast storage, NVMe/SSD. Faster disk I/O reduces delays when loading world data, maps, or chunks. NVMe storage is preferred for gaming hosting. Consistent bandwidth network capacity. High bandwidth, low contention, and good uplink capacity ensure that your network doesn't bottleneck under load. DDoS protection. Gaming servers are frequent targets for attacks. A provider that includes DDoS protection will help maintain uptime and avoid spikes. Uptime SLA/stability. Having high availability and few maintenance windows helps reduce disruptions. Flexibility control. Root access, ability to install mods/plugins, ability to configure server settings, tick rate, map size, etc., gives you fine control over performance. Examples. Industry benchmarks. According to Bluehost's guidance on gaming VPS, plans with 8 GB plus RAM and fast NVMe SSD storage are often sufficient for many modded Minecraft servers or smaller games. SSD Nodes advertises minimal latency by using NVMe storage, redundant network routes, and prioritizing infrastructure optimizations. Lightnode offers more than 40 data center locations globally, which helps in placing servers near different player bases to reduce ping. These benchmarks help us understand what performance is considered good in 2025. Why many VPS hosts fall short. Even providers with good hardware sometimes underperform because of overselling CPU or shared resources, poor routing or peering leading to long network paths, inadequate DDoS protection, slow disk storage, outdated or overloaded data center networks. When these issues surface, even a powerful VPS can feel laggy. SurferCloud, what it offers for low-latency gaming. Here's how SurferCloud addresses the key factors for gaming VPS. Global data centers, Surfer Cloud has 17 plus locations worldwide, so you can pick servers close to your players to reduce ping. Low overselling architecture ensures more predictable performance, fewer noisy neighbor issues. Fast storage, NVMe SSD storage, or equivalent, for quick load times and fast map/world saves. Network plus routing quality, includes peering and optimized routing to reduce hops and jitter. DDoS protection, built in, to keep servers online even under malicious attacks. Flexible billing, diverse payment options, credit card, PayPal, USDT etc., enabling you to scale or experiment without large upfront costs. 24/7 support, for setup, mod/plugin issues, or if you hit performance problems, responsive customer service helps. Recommended VPS specs for different types of game servers. Here are recommended starting VPS configurations based on server type and player count. Setup optimization tips to reduce latency. Choose a server region closest to most of your players. Use UDP protocol when possible, many games favor UDP for latency. Tune OS/kernel network settings, TCP buffer sizes, etc. Minimize background services that use CPU or disk. Enable caching for static assets, maps, textures. Monitor jitter and packet loss, use monitoring tools. Schedule backup/map saves during low traffic times. Conclusion. In 2025, gamers expect seamless, responsive gameplay. Low latency is non-negotiable for competitive and real-time games. When selecting a gaming VPS host, focus on location, network quality, CPU/RAM performance, storage speed, and built-in DDoS protection. Surfer Cloud checks all of these boxes: global nodes, fast storage, predictability, and strong anti-DDoS measures, making it a strong choice for gaming server hosting. Whether you're running a small community server or a modded